In the fast-paced world of manufacturing, document processing can be a daunting challenge. The industry grapples with mountains of paperwork, from safety data sheets to bulk manufacturing records, creating inefficiencies, errors, and draining valuable time and effort. Imagine a solution that transforms this tedious process, automating 95% of your document handling tasks, saving time and boosting efficiency. Introducing Kudra, the revolutionary document processing platform designed for the manufacturing industry. Kudra understands the pain points of dealing with diverse documents and offers a solution that goes beyond your expectations. Consider safety data sheets, an integral part of manufacturing. Kudra simplifies the extraction process. Use our generative template for custom OCR extraction, choose the labels you need, and Kudra does the rest. In seconds, your data is extracted, ready for you to review and export in your preferred format. Now let's talk about bulk manufacturing records. Whether it's an image, a photo, a screenshot, or a PDF, Kudra's table extractor swiftly provides the data you need in a modifiable format. It's that simple. But Kudra's efficiency goes beyond standard data extraction tools. Our integrations enable you to perform advanced actions on your extracted data. Summarize annual manufacturing reports in seconds. Choose the sections that interest you, and our generative AI summarizer does the rest. You can even write your prompts and perform various tasks within the same platform and subscription. Experience a new era of efficiency in manufacturing document processing. And the best part? You can try Kudra for free today. Schedule a demo with our experts and kickstart your efficiency journey. Transform your manufacturing document processing with Kudra, where automation meets precision. Contact us today at Kudra.ai. Empower your manufacturing workflow with Kudra. Your efficiency journey starts now.